I just came out of the pool, so let's make some chocolate truffles. So usually on the internet, I've seen so much easy 2-ingredient chocolate truffles, but I've tried them and they taste like they came out of the worst store. They taste super sweet, way too sweet, and they taste super artificial. So let me show you how to make them even better. Oh, by the way, my recipe only uses 4 ingredients. Life hack. So look, you take a little spoon, my bad, take a big spoon. Take a little spoon, and when you want to open a can, you put it over here. You insert it right under this part, just like this. You make it go just like this. You open it. Now, put it on the other side, and like this, as you can see, press down, and you open the can. See, that was actually easy. It's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning. The first ingredient, put some coconut cream right into the pan, and the pan has to be on medium-low heat, so this doesn't happen. Okay, put in your cream. So it's about 100 milliliters of cream, and mix until it combines together with the coconut oil that was inside there. So until it literally turns into a cream. Now put some usual thickening cream, and you could have just added usual thickening cream all this time, but putting coconut cream just takes it to a whole new level. And mix it until it's warm. Now that it's bubbling, put in some of your Christmas chocolate, because I got no more other chocolate. By the way, it's milk chocolate, so you can also put dark chocolate, but I went for the milk chocolate because it didn't have dark chocolate. Put it and let it melt in there. Don't put a lot. You can put to taste. And by the way, this won't be the thing that turns your chocolate truffles into actual chocolate. It will be the cocoa cream that we add later in the video. Those are a little secret, okay? When you see that the cream has started to thicken, after all the chocolate has melted, take it off the heat and add in your condensed milk. For the condensed milk, you can add, it's a 2-to-1 ratio of the condensed milk to cocoa powder. So if you have 200 grams of condensed milk, you add 100 grams of cocoa powder. Or you can do a different ratio. This is the ratio that I use. So it makes it not bitter, but not super sweet. So this is how the thickening cream mixture looks so far. See, as you can see, it's starting to thicken. Right. Back here. What if from now on we call condensed milk, let's say sweetness overload, or Actually, what if we call it something like different, you know? You guys tell me in the comments what I should call it. Going in. Damn, this looks fun. I swear, this stuff, if you eat it by itself, it's addictive. My mom ate one of these like one night, but we don't tell the doctor that because, you know, we don't tell. Finish your first packet. Never leave already open stuff to die. Not to die, but like, you know. And now use the hack that I showed earlier again, because it's super tough. Good. Condensed milk. I'm just asking, how is condensed milk made? Like, you like literally condense the milk? Although it's kind of in the name. Lots of stuff have stuff in their name, like chocolate milk. It's not actually chocolate made from milk. But you know. It's just my brain cells that don't want to work. Now bring it to the point where it's warm. Warm, not hot, warm. Because if it's hot, then the condensed milk, when you add it to the cocoa powder, it won't turn into that stretchy thing, you know, to that dull stuff. Pour this into a bowl and look how thick this mixture is. God damn. This looks like this looks like the type of thing that if you eat once in a lifetime you get the biggest heart attack. I swear. Now throw your whisk away. Get this thing. It's actually super good. It like lets you get into all of the like little nooks and crannies. Get your cocoa powder. Get your cocoa powder imported directly from Cocoa Land. Oh, it's already cooked. My bad, guys. And start adding till it turns into a thick dough, but not really dough. It's like dough kind of cream. Bro, my hand hurts so bad. I've been mixing this thing for so long. And that's the thing. You need to bring it to heat because then the condensed milk is not so tough to work with. So that's why you have a small window of when you can actually work with this to actually make the truffles. So you gotta work really, really fast before your condensed milk says, I'm out. Damn, that is actually so good. The good thing about these chocolate truffles is they can actually like, they stay in the heat, so you can bring them to picnics, you can bring them to road trips. I don't think they leave you bored on planes with these but if they do, then on flights, and they actually stay out, like sitting outside in the warm weather for a pretty long time without like going bad. Last round of cocoa powder going in, and I'm not pretty sure of the ratio, but yeah, the ratio should be about right. And I don't really see measurements for chocolate truffles because it's all about your cocoa powder, it's all about the condensed milk you buy, it's all about the coconut cream, it's all about the heat, you know? It has lots of variables and it varies from ingredient to ingredient. So measurements aren't really the thing for chocolate truffles. You just have to figure it out yourself. But with what you should end up with is a thick dough-like thing. Yeah, look at it. Oh, looks so beautiful, right? Wait, let's see. It's not falling. Oh my god. Okay. That's a bit off. I have taken a tray and I've put oil on it. And now you're gonna dust it with some cocoa powder mixed with flour so the dough doesn't stick. So, now put in your mixture, which is really hard to do, by the way. So you're gonna need a lot of power or patience to do this step. Now dust it on top with some cocoa powder and cover it and press it down flat. Smoosh it down real good. Fold it on all the sides so it doesn't escape somehow. Now throw this into the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. The best is overnight because then it really gets time to set. I'm going to show you what to do after. So I got it out of the fridge right now and it's looking pretty nice. I've got 2 plates of toppings. One is cocoa powder, of course, because this dessert loves cocoa powder, and crushed up Oreos. I've used 2 white Oreos and 2 black Oreos. This is how they look like. They look like dirt, but okay, it's okay. To cut this, you're gonna use a wet knife. So yeah, you're gonna cut into cubes, and they don't have to be perfect because you're gonna reshape them right after this step. Oh my god, this is so hard to do. And keep wetting your knife, by the way, so it doesn't stick. So now, once you've cut up each one, take them roll them out into little balls and put them in whatever topping you want. Cover them up in that topping. Just like that. And put them on the side. Keep repeating this until all of your chocolate truffles are complete. And that's how easy it is. It really doesn't take lots of effort at all. And all it takes is a lot of cocoa powder and a lot of condensed milk. Or if you want to do this, you can also just rip the things apart. Just rip it from the thing, make it a ball, put it through. Now put them in the fridge on a bed of cocoa powder until you can no more. Here it's all about how much you want to leave it in the fridge. It's not about a certain timing. Usually I would recommend to leave it until they harden, because right now you've worked with it, so they soften a little bit. That's my honest advice, but it's your dessert, not mine, so you pick. I'm gonna put them till they fully set, so that means until tomorrow morning. See you then. They just came out of the fridge and look at that. They're beautiful. They're super good, chewy chocolate truffles. Try this yourself and don't forget to like and subscribe.